Okay, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a thing you did to learn another language. You did is past
Okay,
tense.
sir. So, well, everybody started to learn new language or foreign language because everybody wanna go to overseas country, and I think it's an integral part of every individual life, and because it's a help the firstly student as academically, and secondly it's help the
It helps.
it helps the student in the foreign companies for working. And today I would like to talk about that language which I learned, that is Spanish language. Sir, my uncle who lives in California, he said to me, if you want to come in California, then you will have to learn Spanish language. That's why I started to learn Spanish language, and I also joined evening academies by with Asad Yaqub. And Sir Asad Yaqub is my English teacher as well as a Spanish teacher, and he knows a lot of information about Spanish language and vocabularies as well as structures and sentences about Spanish and English language. And whatever he delivers lectures, we understand easily because he delivers lecture with splendid ways as well as innovative informations. And uh, moreover, one day I called my uncles. I said to my uncle, "Can you elaborate me which type of the apps is available for learning Spanish language?" Then he said to me, "You can learn Spanish. You can download Spanish app." And after that, I installed Spanish app, and I open app, and there were a lot of the options like German language, Spanish language, and Italy language.
Alright, that's good, very good. Muy buenos días. ¿Habla usted español?
No, sir.
¿Usted no habla español? ¿Por qué no?
No, sir.
हाँ अभी तो आप कह रहे थे स्पेनिश आंदी
वो story
क्यों
बनाना
काट आंदी
Yes.
yeah, all right good okay overall it's good
Thank you, sir.
And you spoke well yeah initial part was a bit longer
Okay.
try to come to the point immediately
Okay,
okay
sir.
whatever your main topic is
Thank you,
but you spoke very confidently and very fluently this is something very positive
Okay, sir.
practice all the topics so that you become
सर
fluent
जब मैं फर्स्ट डे आया था तो मुझसे नहीं बोला जा रहा था
good
लेकिन
and now
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
you're doing it
मैंने
mashallah
घर भी प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ
this is good हम
Sister के
तो
साथ।
बर्थडे हो गए हो ना
जी,
that's
sir.
why right we have speaking part 3 left भाई की हो गया तो कैमरा ही बंद करन ते लगा रही हां all right we need another cameraman okay he's not good now we have speaking part 3
Okay.
what sort of difficulties do people face when they learn a foreign language
Sir, there are a lot of the difficulties people face because it's new language, and secondly, a lot of the sentences and structures language about the new language is very difficult to learn.
okay why do you think it is important to learn a new language
Because sir, it's help the student academically, and secondly, the students who are working in a foreign country, as they can easily work there, and that's why there are a lot of the importance there.
okay just try to conclude your answer
Okay, sir.
right Rizwan Khan right
Okay.
yeah
Yes.
thank you good